Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with essentials. Confirm the tire's cold PSI from the door placard and inspect the tire for cuts or embedded objects because safety prevents wasted effort. Once done, park on level ground, set the parking brake and place the compressor within reach. Make sure the compressor oil and fittings are correct. Connect the power, 12V or mains, as required. Now attach the hose to the tire valve snugly, hand-tight, so you can begin inflation without leaks or gauge errors. You control the process by setting the regulator to the target PSI -2, because a lower start reduces overshoot and gives you room to fine-tune. Once you start, use short 1-2-minute bursts, then pause to read the gauge. This prevents heat buildup and false readings. If the compressor runs hot, allow cool-down intervals. While inflating, watch the tire temperature and pressure drift, make adjustments slowly, and rotate to other tires only when this one holds steady. You finish by topping to the exact PSI with very short 1-3-second bursts, because small inputs avoid overshoot, then wait 5 minutes and recheck for settling. After confirming pressure, tighten and replace the valve cap to keep dirt out. If you suspect a leak, apply a soap solution and look for bubbles. Repair or replace the valve if needed. If the compressor stalls, check the fuse and thermal cutout, restore power only after cool down, and try again to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.